Show me.
Not yet. I want candy.
Here, I'll open for you in a minute. Show me how to do the dance. Come on this way. I can't see you. Whoa. Are you going to do the feet again?
No.
Why?
I don't want to.
Look at the footsies. You're silly. Are you done? He wants his candy.